Hi everyone, I am Jayasre from Vijayawada. I completed my B.Tech graduation in Computer Science Engineering at RGKT with the CGPA of 9.24. I joined Jspiders on December 8th. In the initial days, our head Chandan sir will clear our mindset and he explained clearly how corporate and companies looking for the candidates. And later I was joined in the training classes. They were very structured. And for Python, Saraswati ma'am and I sir will clearly explain all the concepts of Python and connect those concepts with the real world example. So it helped me to understand more clearly. And for SQL, Gagan sir and Vaibhav sir will give n number of queries for each concept, and they give real world datasets to apply my learned concepts on those datasets. And Satyam sir and Sagar sir for the make me to build my own projects, and Shravan sir will explain each and every aptitude concept and make me to crack any aptitude round given by any companies. And along with this practical training, I also do presentations and mock interviews. Presentation will help me to improve my communication, and mock interviews help me to identify weak areas, and so that I can work on weak areas and be more confident on that concept. And within 1 month only, I was added for the placement drive. There the HR team, Manasa ma'am, Kirti ma'am and Prashant sir will help me and support me throughout the placement process. And I was added for the 2 drives. Even I failed in the 2 drives, they again give me chance to participate in the matrix drive. And along with these, they conducted groomings before each drive. The grooming sessions, each and every topic will be revised once again, so that it will all topics covered with with a short period of time, and it helped me to revise all the concepts and learn more concepts before trials. Finally, I got placed as a junior data and AI engineer with the package of 12 LPA in Hyderabad location. So I thank to Jspiders family for making me more confident, disciplined and industry oriented, and make me ready for the industry.